Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dapper Dividends. I am Russ. I just got home from work. I was going to shower, get all gussied up for you, but you know what? I left my work clothes on here. And you know what? I'm going to break a YouTube rule. In all frugality, look how frugal I am. Look at the sleeves in these things. This is one of my long underwear shirts that's probably older than some of the YouTubers on here, but I don't want to throw it out because it keeps me warm, and the longer I use this is the longer that it will take that I need to spend money on a new one, and it's usually wintertime. This is under my coat, so anyways, stashing worthy acorns, what is it? I put $20 a month into Stash, where I'm buying Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple, the individual stocks. $20 a month into Worthy Bonds, which pays 5% daily compounded fixed interest, and $20 a month into Acorns, which I selected the aggressive portfolio. So they're putting my money, they're spreading it out across 4 ETFs, the VOO, the IJH, the IJR, and the IXUS. And we're trying to see over the course of 2 years, I started this in March 2020, which of the portfolios will be worth more. I'm doing it live time, real. $5 a week, $20 a month is what we're doing. And we're going to see whether it's the individual stocks, the ETFs, or the bonds that don't trade on the stock market that are going to be better. Let me take this off. You're probably here for the video title, which was what's in the box. So this is the box that I received. Very nice and delicately handled by the USPS. Thank you, guys. We're going to open that at the end because I'm going to make you wait, or you could just skip ahead after you hit like and subscribe and pop on to the chapter that I set for what's in the box. I don't know what's in the box. We're going to find out together. But before that, let's get into Stash, Worthy Bonds, and Acorns, and we will kick it all off with Stash. So Stash is currently at $330.49. Now, as I was going through this, I did realize that I had $5 sitting there that I, forgot to invest. So the way I'm doing it is the lowest of the 3 will get the $5, and it is indeed Apple. So Apple got the $5. I made the purchase, and they're going to buy that for me in the next trading window because the market is not open on the weekends, unfortunately. So they're going to buy that for me tomorrow morning, which is Monday morning. So here we go. Worthy Bonds is in 3 iterations because they sell $50 million worth of bonds, and when they run out, they need to start a new offering. So they did this with Worthy Pure Capital 1. I only got 5 bonds in that. And those 5 bonds have currently made me $2.07 of interest. And I am currently making just over half a cent a day in that. I did get more 16 bonds in the second portfolio, the Worthy Pure Capital 2. That's earned $4.24 of current interest. And that is currently paying me just over 2.25 cents per day, every day, compounded every single day. And then Worthy Community Bonds is the newest iteration at $40.25. I have made 25 cents of interest, currently paying me just over half of a cent every day. That is Worthy Bonds. And as you can see, I changed it to have the bonds purchased a few weeks earlier because I've been having them purchased at the end of the month on the 1st, but it's going to mess this up because now it looks like they're not in there. It takes a few days to process, so I'm doing it a few weeks earlier, so they'll definitely be in there at the end of the month, and it'll make the chart look a little more fluid and not as chunky and choppy. And then here we have something that, boy, do I wish I would have put money into. Here's a little experiment. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Let's see if I can get some Bitcoin hits on this video. See if the algorithm picks up the Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin spiel. Anyways, so I didn't put my money into Bitcoin. Instead, I bought $7,000 worth of Worthy Bonds. A Worthy Pure Capital 2 has $7,440 with 723 bonds. I have made $210.10 of interest, paying me $1.03 per day. That is obviously compounding a little bit faster. Worthy Appear Capital 2 ran out, so I had to open up Worthy Community Bonds. And in there I have 4 Worthy Bonds currently, has made me 17 cents of interest, currently paying us just over half a cent a day. And as you can see, I do have 2 bonds going in on the 14th, so just set it and forget it. Every month into our emergency money, just adding 2 more bonds for the time being. And again, with Worthy Bonds, no complaints, really cool customer service. They send you little cool packages every once in a while, and we're gonna see what's in it after we get through Acorns. And Acorns is at $334.95. I have $5 going in every Wednesday. I do have the aggressive portfolio selected. You can see the up and to the right that it has just nicely gone. And this is the percentage breakdown. The VOO is the large company stocks. That has the bulk of it, with followed up by the IXUS all the way on the bottom right with 29%. That's how they break down your money. That's where it's going, and they do charge you for the privilege of investing your money. And I always say I'm doing this for the long run, and I'll have to keep track. $12 a year is going to come out of Stash and Worthy Bonds. I'm sorry, $12 a year is going to come out of Stash and Acorns. They charge you $1 a month for the privilege. Now, honestly, I wouldn't use Acorns because I would just go to Robinhood or Vanguard or Webull and buy those 4 ETFs that I showed you, and you can cut out the middleman. You're not going to have to pay Acorns, who's paying the ETF fund managers money anyways. So honestly, people love Acorns. They love it for the roundups, but if it was up to me, I would just bypass Acorns altogether and just go right to the brokers and buy those ETFs. And check out the bar chart. So you can see at the start, I changed this. I used to do it weekly, but it just got too messy. This is a little more smooth and cleaner. So we're seeing the growth, everything up and to the right. Worthy Bonds is going to chunk out a little bit more evenly because, as you can see in the December, those haven't hit because I was buying them at the end of the month. So that will change next month. It'll be a little bit smoother, and that'll jump up in value a little bit. But as it is, look how closely that Acorns and Stash have been. Acorns the green, Stash the purple, and just very, very closely, Acorns is finally edging out Stash. All right, now we're going to see what's in the box. It's time to see what's in the box. While I'm opening this, please like and subscribe. We're going to do this the right way. We're not going to cut it. We're not going to edit this out. We're just going to go as if you were here with me watching this. Dude, you guys like ASMR? That sound is gold. I don't know. What do we got? We got gold wrappings. Gold wrappings. It's tight. I'm going to rip into it. What do we got? Oh, look at that. It's a mug. All right, check it out. We got a Worthy Bonds mug. Very nice. Thank you to Madison and all the crew at Worthy. My daughter likes these. It's a Worthy Bonds stress egg. Got a Fort Knox bar and money. Bag of money. Chocolate coins. Chocolate coins. I wish I was like Andre Jikh, but I'm not. Andre Jikh, Andre Jikh, Andre Jikh. If you say his name 3 times in the bathroom, I've heard that Andre Jikh will appear in the mirror. And we got some lifesavers, some Ben Franklin lifesavers. And this is the Goldmine bubblegum. So thank you very much to all the folks at Worthy Bonds. I really do appreciate it. And if you appreciate this and what I'm doing, like and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to hear me talk about. And follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78. I have a podcast I do every Friday by the same name, Dapper Dividends. It's on all your major podcatchers. And the disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. You should know this whole spiel by now. This is just my thoughts and opinions. These are just my thoughts and opinions shared for fun and entertainment. Thank you for stopping by, and I will talk to you in the next video.